Good morning to one and all. I welcome you all for the today's morning session. So in metal cutting and forming today I will be discussing about classification of column and knee type milling machines, under which it comes. First one is hand milling machine, plain or horizontal milling machine, vertical milling machine, ohm universal milling machine, and universal milling machine. Okay, so first of all we will go ahead with hand milling machine. So what is hand milling machine? Hand milling machine, you all can see the sketch that hand milling machine which can be holded with the help of hand. Okay, it is movable wherever it as per the requirements. Okay, you all can see it is very simple in it is simplest of all the milling machines and smaller in size. All the operations are performed by hand except the rotation of an arbor. The table carrying the workpiece over it is moved by hand to feed the workpiece. Okay, and this machine is most useful in producing small components such as hexagonal or square headed bolts, cutting keyways and slots on screw heads, etc. Next we'll be dealing with plane milling machine. So you all can see the plane milling machine. This plane milling machine, this is used for supporting the saddle, work table and other accessories such as indexing head. Knee is provided. Okay, overarm provides support for the yoke which supports the free end of the arbor. The arbor carrying cutter rotates about horizontal axis. Here in the arbor carrying cutter rotates about horizontal axis. Except swelling, the table can be given the motion in three different directions. Here in the plane milling machine we can give three different directions, that is longitudinal direction, vertical direction and crosswise direction. Okay, next we'll be discussing about vertical milling machine. Vertical milling machine, for vertical movement of the table, the knee along with the whole unit over it slides up and down in the guideways provides on the column. For cross movement of the table, the saddle is moved towards or away from the column with along with the whole unit over it in this vertical milling machine. Okay, in this vertical milling machines it provides additional support and rigidity to the arbor and a brace is employed. Okay, so next we'll be discussing about difference between horizontal milling machine and vertical milling machine. First of all, before going to this difference between, we all can understand in this vertical milling machines you all can see spindle position is vertical as it is called vertical milling machine. Machine is available in two types, fixed bed type and column and knee type. It consists of vertical column as heavy base and overarm is made integral with the column and carrying housing at its front. The housing is called as a head which can be fixed type or swelling type. Saddle is mounted on a knee which can be moved towards and away from the column. This also enables the table to move in cross direction. And in this also we have three direction movement, that is longitudinal, vertical and crosswise direction. So next we'll be discussing about difference between horizontal and vertical. So in horizontal you all can see the horizontal machine here and vertical machine. Okay, so in horizontal machine the spindle is horizontal and parallel to the work table, and in vertical spindle is vertical and perpendicular to the work table. And in horizontal the cutter cannot be moved up and down. So the facility it is given in vertical, that is cutter can be moved up and down in vertical milling machine. And in horizontal milling machine cutter is mounted on an arbor, and in vertical milling machine cutter is directly mounted on a spindle. Okay, next comes in horizontal milling machine the spindle cannot be tilted And the facility which is given in vertical milling machine, spindle can be tilted for angular cutting. Wherever the angular movements has to be done for the specimen, we use vertical milling machine. Okay. And in horizontal milling machines, operations performed are such as plane milling, gear cutting, form milling, straddle milling, and gang milling, etc. These all operations are performed in horizontal milling machine. And in vertical milling machine, the operations performed are such as slot milling, T-slot milling, angular milling, and flat milling. Wherever the jobs which are or specimens which are complicated and we need T-slot millings, angular millings, flat millings, and slot millings, we use vertical milling machines. Okay. Thank you for the today's session. So if you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay. Thank you.